In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Netflix on Discord, whether you want to host a virtual movie night with friends or simply share a show with someone across the miles. Following these steps will make it easy and enjoyable. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to discord.com using your web browser of choice. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Carefully type in your email address and password. Keep in mind that passwords are case sensitive, so double check for any capital letters or unique characters. After you've entered your information, click on the login button again to access your Discord account. Now that you're logged in, let's switch focus for a moment. Open a new tab in your web browser and head over to Netflix. Logging into Netflix can be done similarly by entering your credentials if needed, but for now, just opening the page and ensuring you're signed in should suffice. Once that's set, let's shift our attention back to Discord. Navigate to the server where you'd like to share your screen, join a voice channel of your choice. This step is crucial as sharing your screen on Discord requires you to be part of a voice channel, acting as the space where everyone can see and hear what you're sharing. Once you're in the voice channel, direct your gaze to the bottom left of the Discord interface. Just above where your username is displayed, you'll find the Share Your Screen button. It might look like a little computer screen with an arrow inside it. Clicking on this will prompt a pop-up window to appear. Think of this as your control panel for screen sharing, as it shows all the active applications and browser tabs you've got running. In this pop-up, you'll see a list of options, including the tabs from your current browser. Look for the Netflix tab you opened earlier and select it by clicking on it. This will ensure that it's Netflix you're sharing, avoiding any accidental peeks into other tabs you may have open. Once you've highlighted the Netflix tab, find the Share button, typically located at the bottom of the pop-up window. Click on it, and you'll start broadcasting the tab to everyone in your voice channel. With that, you should now be streaming your Netflix tab effortlessly into your Discord voice channel, ready for everyone to enjoy the show together. And there you have it. Following these steps, you can easily stream Netflix on Discord, enhancing your virtual viewing parties like never before. Enjoy your movie night and be sure to adjust volume levels and chat with your friends as you watch. Thanks for joining me today and happy streaming!